How to remove objects from photos in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. From the home screen, you will see the Remove Object tool. Tap on it. Next, choose an image from your gallery or capture a new photo using the camera icon at the top right. Once your image opens, tap on Remove and use your finger to brush over the object you want to remove. After that, the selected area will be removed in real time. Wait for the app to process the changes. You can zoom in for precise removal and use the restore option if you accidentally remove any important parts. Once you are happy with the result, tap the check mark to apply the changes. Finally, tap the save icon at the top right corner to save your edited photo or share it directly. And that's it. Now you know how to remove objects from photos in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.